Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to auto refresh your JSP pages. So let's start the video. You can see here it is showing me current time and this page is updated after a particular time interval. So whatever time interval you will specify, after that the page is updated. So this application I'm going to show you today. So let me close this and let's start the Eclipse and start the coding. I've started my Eclipse. Now I'm creating new dynamic web project. So file, dynamic web project, and I'm giving name as auto refresh. Just click on finish. Okay, so my project is created. Now I'm just going to create one JSP page. So in my web app, I'm going to right click, new and JSP file. Let me give name as index. Okay, I'm changing title over here. Current time is my title, and in body I'm going to use div, and I'm going to use h1 tag also because I want to display in heading format. And now I'm going to use scriptlet for writing my Java code for extracting hours, minute and second. So here I'm going to create calendar variable, calendar C is equal to new Gregorian calendar. You can see the package has been imported, and for this it is asking me to import package. So what I can do, I can just make it star, or you can import also separately. So this is done. Now I'm going to create integer variable for hours, minutes and seconds. So int h is equal to c dot get, and here I'm going to get calendar dot hours. Similarly, I will be doing for minute and second. So I'm just copying and completing the code. Okay, now this is done. Now I'm going to print message that current time is this. So println, out.println I'm using, and in that I'm writing current time, and after this I'm just going to write HR. And then now let me show this in proper timing format. So for that I'm creating one MSG variable. MSG time is equal to H. After that I'm going to show colon, and then again I'm going to show my minutes. So I'm writing M variable, again colon, and then after that I'm going to show my S variable. So now next, depending on morning or evening, I'm going to add AM or PM. So I'm writing if C dot get calendar dot AM PM equal to 0. So if it is 0, that means it is AM. So in my time string variable, I'm going to append AM. After my time, I'm going to append AM. Else I'm going to append PM. So my message is ready. I'm just going to display it. Okay, so my code is done for displaying time. So let's run it. Okay, so you can see it is showing me timing, but it is not getting refreshed. So I'm going to write one line, and because of that line, it is going to refresh my timing. So let's do that. And now here I'm going to add one line for auto refreshing my page. So for that I'm going to write response dot set header, and here I need to pass one value, that is refresh. So this refresh value specifies how soon the browser should ask for an updated page from server. So that is the first parameter, refresh. The second parameter, you need to pass time in second. So I'm passing 1. So it means after every 1 second my page will be updated. So now let's execute it again. Okay, so you can see it is refreshing my page. Here you can see it is submitted to server, and it is again fetched from the server. So my page is updated after every 1 second. So if you are changing this value, if you are making 2, 3, 4 or whatever, then after that many seconds your page will be updated. So now I'm making it 2, and now my page will be updated after 2 seconds. So let me again rerun. So you can see now it is taking bit time as compared to the previous one. So my page is updated after every 2 seconds. Okay, so that's what, nothing but auto refresh in JSP. I hope you like this video. If yes, then please do hit on like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel to support me and my channel. Thank you friends for watching my video till end. See you in my next video. Till that, bye bye and take care.